Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. Uh, in this video, I want to talk about columnar databases. This has been game changer for me. I've been using relational databases from Laravel Cloud with the Postgres, but as you may or may not know, I've been building this application, this video G, which is a video widget that helps you sell more. So basically, it's a little widget for now, which has
Hi there.
branching videos. You can basically just route the users around. But the thing is that as of right now, we've been getting we just got one large client, and in total, we're getting around, I would say, 1 million widget loads per month. That's a lot of database rows to be written in Postgres. So that's where the columnar databases come in. And I don't know how to explain it well, but basically with relational databases, it's, the CRUD operations: read, create, update, delete. Of those four, create, update, and delete are the most expensive queries. Inserting a new row is probably 10 times as expensive as reading a row. With columnar databases, it's another way around. So basically, read is more expensive than ingestion or insert. And this makes a huge difference for analytics, which in this case, I'm basically recording every event. Every time this widget loads, so if I do a refresh, it loads, it will insert a new row to the database. So imagine you having multiple clients and they do about 1 million rows per month. And if we're growing this widget with more clients, bigger clients, more clients, the database is going to bloat and the cost will exponentially grow, which is not good. With columnar databases, it is the best solution for analytics. With analytics, if I'm just opening this, it will send an event. And if I click around, it will send an event. And these events are not meant to be edited or changed. It's just there. Basically, there are way fewer read operations than write operations with analytics. And I'm never gonna update the analytics events anyway. So that's the solutions I've been looking for. I did not implement this from the start, but as of right now, when we get around over 1 million events per month, it makes sense to start optimizing. So which providers I'm using to deploy the columnar databases? There are actually three providers that I've been looking for. The first is the OG ClickHouse. Then there's a Tinybird, which is a wrapper to ClickHouse, similar to Vercel is a wrapper to AWS. And then there's a Cloudflare Analytics. The Cloudflare Analytics is cheaper, but it's not as accurate because they use sampling. But if you want to have a cost-effective analytics source, then you should look at Cloudflare, in my opinion. For example, here, you can see that it's 25 cents for 1 million write queries. And instead, the requery is 4 times more expensive. So with analytics, it just makes sense because there's so much more events written compared to read. So yeah, for me, this was a great addition to my tech stack, and it will completely change the analytics game, because now I'm able to save more data from videos, like how many seconds have been watched, how long, and all the video analytics that I'm used to getting from YouTube. I can now start recording. In addition, because right now I'm not afraid to add data points anymore, I can basically implement some sort of analytics to, attribute to the conversion. Let's say, in this example, if how many percent of the people have watched the video and purchased after that. So basically, I can expand the analytics with columnar databases now. And hopefully it will make a huge difference, because recurring revenue is a result from a recurring impact. I need to attribute that this widget is contributing to the conversion. In essence, if client is considering canceling the subscription, there will be some loss of conversion in this case, as long as I can attribute this loss with analytics. So yeah, I really think you should check this out, at least add more data points to your application and try that out. And that's it for today's video, and see you on the next one. All right, bye.